my goodness, it's a beautiful day. Oh my god, every time I zoom in, my exposure just goes to crap. That's kind of weird. Oh, I know why. I just noticed that. I've never noticed that with this camera. It actually turns itself down even in manual mode. So, I don't know, maybe when I just do vlogs and stuff, maybe I should just like leave it on auto exposure or something. I don't know. I feel like I'm not really connected with the camera. It's like driving an automatic. I just don't feel connected to the car. But yeah, it's a good day. I think I'm gonna go play around tonight because it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, and that'll be fun. Anyways, I'm at work right now, and you're all gonna see here in a minute. But I'm gonna stop by an Applebee's because it's one of my buddy's birthday, and I told him I'd come out tonight for a little bit. So luckily it's like within my delivery range for work, so like I'm just gonna stop by for a moment and say hi.
So you just get a permit to rent somebody else.
Which I think is
AJ! What up, dude? You did delivery? Yeah, I was waiting on 162nd, and I was like, the hell with it, I want to go by and say hi for like 15 minutes.
Oh, so you're still on the clock?
Yeah.
I like your style.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Devin, I want this drink.
Well, he's coming.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
I got his attention.
Bye. Hey.
Bye.
Bye. All right.
Bye.
I gotta go back to work.
Bye.
Dark as shit. I can't see anything. You can see my Z and his Z, and that's it. Can't see your 240. You can't see the little Miata. Vape Lord.
I haven't met him.
That's
AJ
you.
knows him.
That's you.
No, the dude with the Rb25.
Oh, I was saying the Vape Lord. That's you.
No, Liam was asking me who the RB owner was. I haven't met him before. I don't
my
think.
buddy Kenny. And I found out he had an Rb25 in it because he was keeping up with my Z, and I was like, there's no fucking way that 240 is keeping up with me. And then he's like, oh yeah, it's an Rb25. I'm like, oh.
I just been like, nah, bro, it's a single cam.
We're gonna go to Mexico. Going to Mexico! A few people that were supposed to meet me at work didn't show up, and then I texted them, and they're like, oh yeah, we're here in Mexico. So we're gonna go to Mexico tonight. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything in my Z. Just because I just bought tires, and I don't wanna have to buy new tires again. I really just need to wait. It's one more month, and then I can get my actual drift car. So I got the money saved up. I'm ready to buy another one. I got my business started. I can let that, you know, cook, and which, shameless plug, go to TunerZen.com and buy some shirts. We updated a bunch of stuff on the website and made some sales. We're selling the Smoke 'em if you got 'em t-shirt at $20 right now. So go check it out, and we'll see you in Mexico. I'm gonna shamefully get this on camera though. And then you crash. And we didn't even do anything yet. Oh my god, dude, you bust that wheel in half.
Yeah, the inside of the passenger too.
But by XXRs.
Oh, dude, look at this.
Yo. What, you just scraped
Hey, get the lights off that. I don't want to look at it no more.
Hey, that's it for this video. Good night. Bye. No, we're still gonna send it.
I couldn't steer. I literally, it went like this, jerked me. Boop, bop, whoop, boom, done.
Do you have any regrets?
Owning a 240.
Bye, Kenny. Hey, we got a cone. We got a clipping point. Hell yeah. Let's do it. Are you ready?
I always put the cone where the grate is.
Where the what is?
The grate.
You got this right here. This will fucking eat your tires.
Yeah, this is all shit. It's cheese grater.
What about if we move it over here? So I entirely missed Reed drifting, and now he's gonna have to go again. And I'm gonna make him right now. Oh, he's gonna come in hot, isn't he? Damn, that open diff life.
I'm not sure about mine.
Yours will.
Probably
You have a
won't.
clutch though. You can dump the clutch and
Yeah.
send
I don't
it.
even, yeah.
You clutch kick, you're good with that VQ. My buddy has a VQ in his 240.
I love when people pop their drift cherry. It's amazing.
I want to try to keep it going though. That's what
Yeah, just
if it doesn't feel like it's going to keep going, give it more gas.
give it more gas. When in doubt, gas it out.
Yeah, definitely second.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah!
He's like,
Second gear.
I think he's figured out. Oh, hey, second gear's kind of cool. Woo! Woo!
Second gear is definitely right for it.
Did you hit the cone?
No, I stopped right before the cone.